Hammer boy. What's good, YouTube? Good morning, man. So mainly what we got here today, man. We're doing a little maintenance on the Wawa today. To be honest with you, I thought we were gonna be doing more, so I didn't start recording. The plan was do the power steering, change both of the power steering hoses on the wagon, and do an oil change. But good old Raleigh's, man, always fucking up. So anyways, man, today we're just gonna do the oil. Well, right now we're just gonna do the oil change. I gotta go to work in a little bit. And then tonight, hopefully, as you can see, my power steering hoses don't look so good. Again, 79 Chevy Caprice wagon. This is my daily, so I gotta go to work. So we're just gonna do the oil change real quick, and hopefully tonight, man, we do the hoses. A little maintenance on the car. We're gonna do the oil change, go to work, come back tonight, and do the power steering hoses. So the reason why we took the power steering pump off is, as you can see, we got an adapter right here, this one right here, that goes to the tank. So whenever I'm spinning the hose, everything is spinning. And pow, man, we got the new hoses, we got the power steering pump back on, pulleys on, everything, man. We got everything back together. Now we just gotta clean up the garage, pick up all them tools, clean up all this grease. So what happened was, I seen all these pancakes full of grease, man, around it, and I got some engine degreaser, pressure washer, and pressure wash just the area while I was working. And I don't think it was a good idea. Well, it was good, but now it's not, because as I was cleaning the engine, boom, look at the paint came off with the water pump, some of the engine block, the valve covers, the AC bracket, and you see black shiny bracket over there with the pulley and the power steering pump. I was able to clean that since I took it off. Everything was clean, and it makes the rest of the engine bay look good. Look ugly, man. So I'm not saying that it's gonna be right now or tomorrow, but we're gonna have to clean up this engine bay, man. Again, she's my daily. It's gonna have to be on the weekend. It's gonna have to be on the weekend. I'm not saying that I'm gonna do everything at once, but I'm gonna have to start cleaning up little by little. Yep, it took most of the grease off, but also the way using the pressure washer, it took most of the old paint off too. So, you know, it is what it is. We got more work. So again, Not today, not sure when, but we're definitely gonna have to clean up this engine bay, man. Again, thank you for watching. Just a little video, man, on the Wawa, and stay tuned for the glass house, man. We got a little more progress on the glass house. So, again, thank you for watching, man. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye. What's good? Yeah, welcome back to the channel, man. So, we came to check up on the glass house, and whew, they're loaded today, man. Look at this. But hold on though. This right here, she's sexy.